Today, I'm going to teach you how to join the Shopify affiliate program. This is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's platform to your audience. Let's walk through the sign-up process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Shopify's affiliate page, open your browser, and type in shopify.com/ps/affiliates. Once you're on that page, look for the Apply Now button and click on it. This will take you to the application portal where you can begin your journey as a Shopify affiliate. Next, you'll see a sign up button on the screen. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Shopify will present you with the contract terms for their affiliate program. This is an important step, so take a moment to read through the terms carefully. You want to understand what you're agreeing to, including commission structures, payment terms, and any obligations you'll have as an affiliate. Once you've reviewed everything, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find a checkbox that confirms you've read and accept Shopify's offer and program terms. Check that box, then click Continue to move forward. Now you'll be presented with several sign-up options. You can choose to sign up with email, Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or if you already have an account on impact.com, you can use that as well. For this tutorial, let's go with sign up with Google, as it's one of the quickest methods. Click on that option and you'll be prompted to select a Google account. Choose the account you want to use for your affiliate registration. After selecting your account, click Continue. This will bring you to a form where you need to input some personal details. Enter your first name and last name in the appropriate fields, then add your mobile number. These details help Shopify verify your identity and keep your account secure. Once everything is filled in, click Get Started. At this point, Shopify will send a verification code to the mobile number you provided. This step ensures that the phone number is valid and belongs to you. Check your messages for the code, then return to the screen and input it into the verification field. After entering the code, click Verify to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully joined the Shopify affiliate program and can now start promoting Shopify to earn commissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.